Strawberries are in season, and they are my favorite berry. Can you tell? I'm Tess, and today I'm making the best homemade strawberry pie. It is a simple recipe, and just in time for the summer picnic table spread. Stay tuned. For this recipe, you will need a 9-inch pre-baked pie shell crust. I made my own, and I will include my pie crust recipe below this video. I don't make pies too often, so the crust may not be the prettiest, but it does taste good, and you can hide a lot of the imperfections with whipped cream and decorations. Now I am making the glue that holds the strawberries together. This really adds a lot of flavor and gives the pie that extra refreshing strawberry burst. In my saucepan on medium heat, I have 1 cup of water, a half a cup of granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, cooking and stirring until it comes to a simmer and thickens. Once the mixture is thick and smooth, I'm removing from the heat. This is a 3-ounce package of strawberry gelatin, and I'm giving it a good stir to incorporate. That is such a beautiful color, and it smells great. Here I have 2 pounds of fresh strawberries, and this ended up being about 3 cups. You can use up to 4 cups of strawberries for this recipe. I left the strawberries get really ripe, so the strawberry flavor is at its peak. I cleaned and cut the strawberries in half, and the bigger ones in quarters, giving the strawberries a gentle toss in the gelatin mixture to make sure that they are thoroughly coated. Pouring the strawberry filling into a cooled, pre-baked pie crust and gently rearranging and leveling out. Make sure you scrape out the gelatin in the bowl and just pour over the top of the strawberries. This is going into the refrigerator until the pie sets and is firm, and that usually is about an hour or 2. After the pie sets, you can decorate however you like. I'm piping on a little whipped cream, a fresh sliced strawberry, and a little mint. If you don't already know, I have a special love for strawberries. They bring some good memories, they are beautiful, and I love the taste. This strawberry pie recipe is the best. So beautiful and a great refreshing summer taste. This pie will be a hit at the family picnic table. I hope you give this delicious homemade strawberry pie a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!